Are you struggling with biting your nails? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today we are talking about this disorder. Yes, it can be a disorder or it can also be a symptom of another illness such as anxiety or OCD. Don't worry, I have some tips and tricks. Onychophagia, the technical term for nail biting. And let me tell you, it's not just an oops, my hands don't look cute problem. It's an oops, I just invited every germ in a 5-mile radius into my mouth problem. It's very risky. Our hands are the dirtiest parts of our body, making us more prone to infections. In severe cases, infected wounds might even require medical treatment. You can even injure or break your teeth, or it can lead to inflamed gums or other dental problems. This condition can also affect your mental well-being. You might feel embarrassed by the visible injuries and try to hide them with clothing or avoid certain situations. Over time, this can lead to feelings of anxiety, sadness, or isolation. It can even interfere with your work or social life, making everyday interactions more challenging. There are clearly many negative aspects, so the real question is, why do you bite your nails in the first place? Stress, anxiety, boredom, perfectionism. Sometimes it's just a habit. Other times it's your inner perfectionist screaming, fix it. If you tend to be overly self-critical, nail biting might feel like a way to relieve tension. Genetics or imitation can also play a role. Kids often mimic habits they observe in family members or friends. But here's the good news, you can stop. Let's explore some practical strategies. Before we dive in, if you are loving this informative vibe, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Step 1. Identify your triggers. To stop biting your nails, start by understanding why you do it. Pay attention to when and where you bite your nails. Is it during stressful moments, when you're bored, or while doing certain activities? Exams, work challenges, relationship struggles, that one annoying hangnail? Find out what sets you off so you can fight back. Step 2. Find a healthier coping mechanism. When you feel the urge to bite your nails, replace it with a healthier activity. Deep breathing, squeezing a stress ball, or using a fidget toy are great options. Or check out the meditation videos on this YouTube channel. Anything that keeps your hands busy and your mind engaged. Step 3. Keep your nails trimmed. Less nail to bite equals less damage. Simple, right? Plus, short tidy nails make you look like you've got your life together. However, some people who bite their nails also tend to mess with the skin around them, even if the nails are already trimmed. If that sounds like you, remember that stopping one habit at a time is perfectly okay. Be patient with yourself. Covering your nails with a bandage helps too. Step 4. Always keep a nail clipper with you. Whenever you notice uneven edges on your nails or the skin around them, you can simply trim and smooth them right away. Boom! Crisis avoided. Tip number 5 can also be helpful. Try bitter tasting nail polish. Bitter tasting nail polish tastes horrible, and that's the point. Plus, your nails will look shiny and neat. Double win. Step 6. Use positive reinforcement. Reward yourself. 1 week without biting, treat yourself to something awesome. Positive reinforcement isn't just for dogs. Step 7. Seek professional help. If nail biting is affecting your mental health, causing physical harm, consider seeking help. A healthcare professional can help you understand the deeper reasons behind your habit and provide effective treatment options, if needed, including medications. What not to do? Gel nails. Now let's address the elephant in the room, gel nails. Sure, they might stop you from biting, but are they worth the UV exposure? Prolonged UV exposure increases the risk of skin damage and may contribute to skin cancer over time. You might want to go for safer alternatives I showed here. Before we wrap up, let's quickly review what we've covered. 1. Identify your triggers. Understand when and why you bite your nails. 2. Find a healthier coping mechanism. Replace nail biting with healthier activities. 3. Keep your nails trimmed. Short, neat nails are less tempting. 4. Always keep a nail clipper with you. 5. Try bitter tasting nail polish, a quick and effective deterrent. 6. Use positive reinforcement. Celebrate your progress with rewards. 7. Seek professional help. Therapies and expert advice can guide you. 8. Avoid gel nails. Consider the long-term health risks, especially UV exposure. Let's be realistic. breaking the nail biting habit is not always easy peasy. But with patience, humor, and a little self-compassion, you'll get there. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more tips, and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Remember, no habit is too hard to break when you've got the right mindset. Until next time, take care of yourself and your nails.